Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the shortcut key for filter in Excel. Let's get started. If you need to apply a filter to a data table, begin by selecting the headers of the columns in which you plan to sort data. Next, use the shortcut keys Ctrl-Shift-L. And that's all it takes. You'll immediately see drop-down arrow buttons through which you can conveniently sort and filter data. To remove the filter, simply press the shortcut keys Ctrl-Shift-L again. The filter will disappear instantly. For advice on other useful Excel shortcuts, watch our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.